Hello dear children, this is A. Mani Sharma, your favorite maths teacher, and you are watching Statistics Part 4. In this video, you will see how to solve question number 2 of 14.3. Okay, now let us see. If the median of the distribution, see children, this is if the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the values of x and y. See children, median is given. Median is equal to how much? 28.5. Now what you have to find? You have to find the values of x and y. Now since you have to find the median, you have to find the cumulative frequency. What you have to find? You have to find the cumulative frequency. And that's why I have kept a column here along with this question. Now what is the question? The class interval is 0 to 10 and the frequency is 5. Now the class interval next one is 10 to 20 and your frequency is x. For class interval 20 to 30, frequency is 20. For 30 to 40, it is 15. For 40 to 50, it is y. And for 50 to 60, it is 5. Now let us calculate the cumulative frequency here. Now 0 to 10 is 5. So first one will be 5. Now second one is x. So here you will get 5 plus x. Now next 5 plus x plus 20. So 25 plus x. Next is 25 plus x plus 15. That is 40 plus x. Now the next will be 40 plus x plus y. And the end one will be 40 plus x plus y plus 5. So 45 plus x plus y. So here you have got the cumulative frequency. But children, if you nicely observe, the total frequency is 60 given here. The total frequency is 60 given here. So this 45 plus x plus y should be equal to how much? This should be equal to 60, isn't it? So we can say that 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. This means your x plus y is equal to 15. Given is 28.5. The median is 28.5. So first of all, let us find out where does this particular observation falls. This observation falls between, see, 28.5 means it falls between 20 and 30. Okay, so this will be the frequency f, which you have to take in your formula, and this cf, this will be your cf. Now first of all, let us try to put the values in the formula. First let us try to write the formula first. What is our formula for finding out median? Median will be equal to L plus n by 2 minus cf divided by f into h. This you have seen in your previous class. Now let us see what is your L. Now your L will be your median class, isn't it? Now what is your median class here, children? Your median class here is, we have already marked the median class. Your median class is this one. So this part is your median class. So what will be your L? Here L will be your lower limit of the median class. So L will be equal to 20. How much is your H? H is the size. So 30 minus 20. H will be equal to 10. And small f means frequency of the median class. And CF, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So all of the things we have earmarked here. Now let us try to put the values. Just we shall put the values. Let us see how to do it. Now see, median is 28.5, we know. So let us put the value of median 28.5. Now what is the value of L? We have just spoken about this. L is equal to 20 plus n by 2. N by 2 is nothing but total frequency divided by 2. So that will be 60 by 2, 30. Minus what is your CF? CF is your 5 plus x. Okay, so CF is 5 plus x divided by what is your frequency? Frequency is 20. So frequency is 20 divide into what is your H? H is equal to 10. So here we have taken the values of all the required variables. Now see, let us solve it. Now see, 28.5 will be equal to, see this 0 and this 0 gets cancelled. Okay, so 28.5 will be equal to 20 plus 30 minus 5 minus x divided by 2. So this will be 20 plus 30 minus 5 is 25 minus x divided by 2 is equal to 28.5. Now if you carry this 20 that side, it will become 28.5 minus 20. 28.5 minus 20 will be equal to 25 minus x by 2. So 28.5 minus 20 will give you 8.5 equal to 25 minus x by 2. So from here 8.5 into 2 will be equal to 25 minus x. So here 5 to the 10, 0, 1, 16, 17.0 will be equal to 25 minus x. So x will be equal to 25 minus 17 and that will be equal to 8. Okay, so here you have already got x plus y equal to 15. So if x equal to 8, then y will be equal to 15 minus 8, that is equal to 7. So x equal to 8 and y equal to 7. Okay, and median given was 28.5. That's all in this video. We shall meet again with some more questions in statistics part 5.